Red currant, Ribes rubrum, is a small, tart, and vividly red berry widely cultivated in Europe and parts of Asia for its culinary, nutritional, and ornamental value. As a member of the Grossulariaceae family, red currants are closely related to black currants and gooseberries, sharing many botanical and ecological characteristics. The berries are prized for the bright color, tangy flavor, and high content of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, making them both visually striking and nutritionally valuable. Botanically, the red currant plant is a deciduous shrub typically growing 0.5 to 1.5 meters in height, with slender, woody stems and lobed, dark green leaves. The shrubs produce small, greenish-white flowers in late spring, which develop into tight clusters of translucent red berries during summer. Each berry is small, around 5 to 10 millimeters in diameter, with a delicate, glossy skin encasing juicy pulp and multiple tiny seeds. The clusters of berries hang gracefully from the branches, making them not only a source of fruit but also an ornamental addition to gardens and orchards. Flavor-wise, red currants are intensely tart with a hint of sweetness when fully ripe. This balance of acidity and mild sweetness makes them particularly suited for culinary applications, including jams, jellies, syrups, desserts, sauces, and beverages. The fruit's tartness provides a refreshing contrast in sweet and savory dishes alike. When cooked or macerated, the berries release pectin naturally, making them ideal for thickening preserves and jellies without artificial gelling agents. Their bright red hue also enhances the visual appeal of culinary creations. Historically, red currants have been cultivated in Europe since at least the 16th century, with records of their use in British, German, and Scandinavian cuisine. They were valued for their long shelf life, nutritional content, and versatility in cooking and baking. In addition to culinary use, red currants were occasionally used in traditional medicine to support digestive health, enhance immunity, and provide antioxidants. Over the centuries, breeding programs have developed cultivars with improved berry size, flavor, yield, and disease resistance, ensuring the red currant's continued popularity in modern horticulture. Nutritionally, red currants are low in calories yet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A serving is an excellent source of vitamin C, essential for immune support, collagen synthesis, and antioxidant protection. They also provide vitamin K, manganese, and dietary fiber, contributing to cardiovascular health, bone maintenance, and digestive function. Phenolic compounds and flavonoids present in the skin and pulp enhance the berry's antioxidant capacity, potentially reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Culinary applications for red currants are extensive. Fresh berries are eaten as a snack or added to fruit salads, while their tart flavor is used to complement sweet desserts like tarts, pies, and cakes. They are commonly incorporated into sauces to accompany meats, particularly game and poultry, adding a tangy and visually appealing dimension. Red currant jelly is a classic spread across European cuisines, often served with cheeses, bread, or as a glaze for desserts. Additionally, the berries can be frozen, dried, or processed into syrups and beverages, making them available year-round for culinary use. Cultivation of red currants requires temperate climates with well-drained, fertile soils and adequate sunlight. Shrubs thrive in cool conditions with consistent moisture, though excessive wetness can lead to fungal diseases such as powdery mildew. Pruning is essential to maintain airflow, encourage fruiting, and prevent disease. Red currants typically bear fruit in their second or third year, with shrubs remaining productive for decades under proper care. Integrated pest management, organic fertilization, and careful irrigation ensure sustainable cultivation while maintaining high-quality fruit. Commercially, red currants are grown in Europe, particularly in Germany, Poland, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands, as well as in some parts of North America. They are marketed fresh, frozen, or processed into jams, syrups, and confections. Their striking color and tart flavor make them highly valued in gourmet kitchens and specialty markets. Harvesting usually occurs in mid to late summer, when berries are fully colored and slightly soft to the touch, indicating optimal ripeness. Ecologically, red currant shrubs provide habitat and nourishment for pollinators, including bees and butterflies. Their flowers attract insects, which facilitate fruit set, while the berries serve as a food source for birds and small mammals. Sustainable cultivation practices help maintain soil health, biodiversity, and ecosystem resilience. Preserving heritage red currant varieties is also important for genetic diversity, disease resistance, and adaptation to changing climates. In conclusion, red currants are small but powerful fruits that combine vivid color, tart sweet flavor, and high nutritional value. Their botanical uniqueness, historical significance, and versatility in culinary applications make them a cherished berry across cultures and cuisines. From fresh eating to jams, desserts, and sauces, red currants continue to captivate chefs, gardeners, and health-conscious consumers, offering a perfect blend of taste, beauty, and functional benefits in every cluster.